beautiful hometown. Oh man, it's been a while since I've been here. Pulling up to Matt's house right now. What's going on, YouTube? We are pulling up to my good friend Matt's house right now. We're about to rip some pit bikes, so I am backing up and getting ready to unload the first ride on the pit bike. So excited. And yeah, just break this baby in a little bit. What up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's going down?
How are
you doing?
Good, man.
Yo, I was just telling freaking everyone I haven't been here in forever.
Dude, it's been so long, man.
Yo, this is literally the skate video. The last YouTube video.
Right
was
out the
skating right
driveway
here.
into the
Right out the driveway. It's a good fitter, man. Look at all these parts I had in here. I was selling parts the other day, Honda parts. We got the fitter. I have Tyler's bike. Too? Yeah, I'm always carrying Tyler's crap around. Freaking, it's literally, he stores his bike at my house with this little 1970, whatever that thing is. It's like Italian.
All these parts.
They're all Honda parts. If anyone needs them, let me know. Yo, the lines are freaking raw out here. That corner's nice. You get some bar dragging. So what direction is it going? Like with that corner?
Whichever way you want.
Whatever way you want. We got a little inside single right there.
This is what Mackey's been hitting. Mackey's been sending it across this.
Oh, what, right into there?
Right into there.
That'd be sweet, yeah. I'm gonna have to hook that.
But then,
here you are.
Look, you go through there.
Ooh, that's deep. The dirt's good though, dude.
And
hell yeah.
You got 3 lines right here.
That's sick.
Corners up here.
Little hump right here. This should have been sweet for the ramp.
That's what I was talking
coming in and landing here.
Right here, that's the landing.
Yeah, it's solid size. That's like a good 3 feet. The root section.
Yeah, you come up quick and it gets technical a little.
That's a nice, like, tight little freaking, and it's like a decreasing radius almost if you hit it this way.
Oh, dude, you can hug it nice.
Yeah, that's it. Like, you come in a little wide, decreasing radius, and like shoot out.
There's a root right here in the middle of it.
Ooh, a little tacky.
You got it, just your front tire and back tire. Just got to go over that, and then, dude, it fucking shoots you.
Yeah, she shifted in neutral. Dude, it's whiskey on this thing. It's like just dragging pegs every single ride. Like, I'm like, ging, ging. Dude, is that thing fun out there? Let's try it?
Go for it.
Yo, let me try it out. That's more like a dirt bike for me. I'm way too big for this thing. Ain't a two-stroke, but she a one-deuce nickel.
It's fun, right?
So fun. This bike's made for this track. Hell yeah. The tires hook up so good, right?
Yeah, right?
You're like never sliding.
I'm gonna follow slowly behind you and get some footing.
All right, let's do it. Shit. Getting it going, dude. Oh wait, elbow, no, coronavirus,
yeah,
dude.
Corona. Corona's dope.
We got Smithy. Head-on collision. Oh my goodness. These corners are raw. These corners are raw. boy, get him! Oh, that thing is just eating, hooking up. Mackie getting it. Oh! Ride her down! We got a down squirrel. Oh, he's got the inside. Oh! Almost took him down. Yamaha versus Yamaha. Dude, you guys got a 30+ tuning out there.
Oh
no, that was
God,
like a 12-minute moto.
Bars out
Yes,
there, bro.
sir.
You know, we just
Third
went out
person
there,
filming.
gave it all we got, and you
I
know,
saw Ronnie out there.
pull for the love.
Yeah, Ronnie was out there, dude. Oh, Mackinson.
Get the rest of that off, Mark.
What?
Saw that bitch right off. So that was a pretty epic moto out there, to say the least. That was pretty sweet. But yeah, I gotta get out there and I gotta get a little third person action. I gotta only threw the GoPro on, so yeah, me and Smitty out there, maybe gotta get a little action going.
Wants to draw.
We need another pit bike here actually too, so dude,
Yeah,
you might have to get it
dude.
at 110.
If we can
There's
get
actually
four
this
out
one,
here,
dude.
four
Yeah,
pit bikes out here, dude.
we might have to buy this one, bro.
I think pit bike races are the next movement, dude.
Pit bike races are the next movement.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's right. This thing was only right here. This bike was only what was it, 800? 800 or 900, and then this one was 5. That was 5 on Facebook Marketplace.
That's not bad at all.
The thing's a what is it? It's a TTR, I think. I mean, sorry, not TTR. KLX. They're both KLXs. It just has yellow plastic. Looks like a freaking Suzuki.
Hey. You gonna clear the gap?
Dude, I don't know. I'm posting some shit to the Instagram. Maybe if I get a little more clout, that'll motivate me
More clout?
to clear the gap. I'm all about the clout.
I'm gonna go ahead and say if you clear that gap, your chances of getting corona are slim.
I'd do anything for clout, and I don't want to get corona. Shout out to Squirrel Bait, dude. You're the man, bro. Freaking swipe up, tap in. Just comment below, dude. Squirrel Bait.
Yeah, that's right.
Coronavirus, take one.
Shout out to Green Thumb Naturals, keeping the inflammation down.
Green Thumb.
Can't go without it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I need some of that race fuel.
I know, you gotta put some race fuel in TT. Oh no! We got a down rider.
Dude, she hooked up so good. These MX-33s are, shout out to Dunlop, guys. This thing freaking looped out of my arms.
Looks like you're gonna have to come through and hit her harder.
roofs. That roof. Jiminy Cricket, she's flooded. Sign up for the raffle. She runs great. Smooth and second, baby. Dude, are we racing MotoGP or is this motocross? I just drug me in that corner, son. Oh, it's a nice gap, boy. It's a nice gap. It's mighty big. Good. Yo, look at this shit. Back wheel still clipped her a little though, right?
You can't let off.
Should I hit her in third, I think, then? Third gear it is. Gosh, third gear was so much smoother. I thought I wasn't gonna make it because it bogged so hard out of the corner, but I'd really like to give it out to everybody, the Wicked family, for backing me on that jump 100%. Shout out to them. Throw some of these gloves on, you'll just, man, you'll freaking take it. Take her about 12 feet, tell you what. Whoa, Dunlop hooks up. I tried to drag arm.
Sign up for the raffle, right?
Sign up for the raffle. You'll win yourself a Butte. Check out that gap.
Yeah, you can see how she runs.
See how she runs? She runs like a notch, bub. She's been running this way since 08. Redbeard had her. Now I got her. Some lucky winner's gonna get her. Just freaking swipe up, tap in. You know what it is. Dude, thanks for having me over. The truck is lit.
Oh, bro, you're more than welcome anytime.
Oh, sit on down.
It's gonna be the thing, dude.
It's gonna be the thing.
It's fun to hang out here sometimes and rip it. And then go up to the pro track.
Go up to the pro track.
Nobody knows where that
Nobody
is
knows
now.
where the pro track is, but I did film there. That is the grass track that we found in the woods. So sweet. And yeah, it's called the pro track because a lot of people that used to come up for Dilla and Southwick, some nationals up here, they would actually stop there and ride. But yeah, nobody really knows what town my hometown is in. So what town my hometown is in. What town my hometown is. Our hometown.
And even if they did, they wouldn't find it.
They wouldn't find it because it's got 6,000 people. I reckon that.
But if y'all got Corona, let me know where the Corona at.
The virus or the brew?
The virus.
What, you want some?
Yeah.
Let's rip her again, brother.
I'll see you
Have a
later,
good
bro.
one.
Take it easy.
YouTube.
Swipe up.
Swipe up.
Tap in.
Peace out,
right.
Matt Smetty. Later, George.
Later,
Peace, brother. ProMaster engaged. Speed. Engaging. Look at that beautiful view. Gotta love my hometown. I always love coming back here. It's only like 40 minutes from my house right now. All right, well, that's a wrap on this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed. First time ripping a pit bike, like an actual pit bike, 110, you know. But yeah, super fun. Thanks to Matt for having me over. Yeah, we got to rip there some more. Have a good time. Get a lot of people there. Maybe have like a race, whatnot. Do like some, you know, couple 10-minute moto formats or something like that, and get the full loop going. I think we're actually gonna get my machine over there. which is pretty close to here as well, so we might just drive it down the road. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Smash the like button below, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.